To clean a CRT monitor, you can use glass cleaner, which is fine. That's exactly what I use. The thing you got to be careful here is you still don't want to get anything leaking down in here so that it would get in those electronics. So what I generally do is I take a paper towel and I fold it up and I spray the cleaner onto the paper towel, and I know this is 409, but it is an all-purpose cleaner. And then I just go ahead and wipe the monitor and make sure that there's not moisture dripping down inside. And the screen is nice and happy and clear. Ooh. Then to clean the outside, I'm going to go back to the sponge in the soapy water, wring that sucker dry, and just go ahead and gently wipe down the surfaces of the monitor. I don't want to get any liquid down in here in the back part, which is the truly scary part. And I'm just going to use a regular old dish towel to go ahead and wipe down the rest of the monitor. Get it all nice and happy and make it look like it's just brand spanking new.